Hey everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm sharing some fun and beautiful DIYs featuring one of my all-time favorite crafting material, twine. That's right, it's twine it up time. So let's jump right in and get started. Alright, for our first DIY, we are starting super easy. You will need a large glass or plastic vase and two types of twine. That's it, let's twine it up. We're gonna begin by lining up the twine side by side, just like besties. Then grab the glue gun and start adding glue around the rim of the base to secure the twine in place. I started with just the jute twine to anchor it. Once that's wrapped, glue the end down and bring in the cotton twine for a little extra texture. From there, it's just a wrap and glue moment. Add some dots of hot glue here and there to keep it all nice and smooth. You will start seeing the pattern coming together and it looks so good. Keep wrapping until you reach the bottom. Now, you could stop there. It's already looking cute, but you know me, I had to take one step further and I had to finish up to have that really nice sparrow look. And then cut the excess and use the lighter to remove all the little fuzzy thing, and also I just like the smell. And for the final touch, we're just gonna be adding some wooden beads around the rim just to add that really nice touch. Alright, also I'm going to be making a cute little tag, so I'm gonna speed up the process of that one just to not make the video too long, and then we're gonna place it right when we put the last bead. So once I had it done, I just used a little brush to make it nice and fuzzy, and then I just placed it on it. And voila, there you have it. And that's it for this one. Now it's time to add your favorite greenery or flowers, or you can even use it on the kitchen to use for your utensils or anything. So, or towels on the bathroom. I think you can use it in many ways. All right, so let me know what do you guys think. Alright, quick pause. This project and the next two are part of my Twine It Up challenge, where we celebrate the magic of twining crafting. Every 2 months, I invite a special co-host, and I'm so excited to be joined this time by the super creative Sana over OK Home DIY channel. You'll definitely want to check out what she made. It's linked on the description. We have also put together a full playlist featuring all the amazing creators joining us this month. Be sure to check it out after this video for even more inspiration. Now let's keep the inspiration going with our second project. This one is a little bolder and gives such a fun texture to any home decor. Moving on with the next project, we are bringing out the recycle box. You already know I love giving things a second chance and saving that coin. All right, we are going to be using a twine and also a pretty ribbon and a little bit of patience. First, cut one piece of twine the length of the box as a guide. Then cut a bunch more, maybe around 20 or so, depending your box size. Now comes the slightly chaotic looking part. Start gluing the twine vertical onto one corner of the box. And yes, it might look like a stringy disaster at first, but trust the process, okay? Next, start grouping the strings and space it out evenly. I didn't count it, I just eyeball it with confidence. Now cut your ribbon to match the width of the box and get ready to weave. This is a fun part. We are creating a cute crisscross pattern, I don't know how it's called, adding glue as we go. From there, is just keep adding the ribbons and more glue and waving the strings and keep on going until we finish the box. At this point, you will start seeing that pattern coming together and it looks so beautiful. So once we are done with the weaving part, we're gonna cut the excess of the material as you can see, and then we're gonna use the same ribbon to clean up the edges and cover those strings and glue spots like the crafting pro you are. So I went ahead and just cut some pieces to cover the corners first, just to give it that nice look.
That shall go right here, like this. I think. Got twine. This is like water.
That's mommy's water.
It tastes very tasty. Mommy? So I was wondering so remember when you made a cat stuffed animal?
So let's back to craft after that little break. My little man just came back from school. Alright, so after that I went ahead and just cut 2 more pieces of ribbon and place it on the bottom part, and then also add some ribbon in the side part just to have that better, nice and finished look. And to finish up this project, just add some cute yarn that fits on the bags, any bags you're using, and then some cute flowers or green in it, and just admire your transformation. Like that was the cardboard box. Who knew, right? And we are done with this one. Drop your comment below with a little heart or a happy face, letting me know that you enjoyed the project. Right, the last but not least, and definitely my favorite, is quick, easy, and turned out so beautiful. You will need a wood round cut off from Dollar Tree, some twine, and a bit of recycled cardboard, something flexible. Alright, first take off the little hanger string from the wood round and then stain it using empty wax. Just rub it on and wipe it off, easy peasy and instantly rustic. So now we're gonna leave that wooden run on the side for a little bit, and we are gonna work on the cardboard piece. So now we just grab a ruler and mark down on the cardboard a 1-inch strips, and I cut 5 of them, and then I'm gonna wrap each strip with twine. I know it sounds like a lot, but I did it while on a video call with my cousin, and honestly I didn't even realize I was done. Multitasking queen over here. Next, line up the wrapping strip vertical and glue them together to make a cute little mat. Then I'm gonna be using some thin ribbon, but it can be any ribbon as long as it matches with the twine. To me it looks good. Alright, and place it right on top of the crease just to give you more support to the little mat. Now it's time to assemble everything, and this is my favorite part. Alright, so I'm gonna add tons of hot glue right on the edges of the circle just to keep the mat in place, as you can see. Then fold it in and then keep it pressed until it's completely glued. So now for the back, we're gonna be using some rope to cover up the entire back. Like that, we'll have a nice finished look and won't damage also the door where we're gonna be hanging. All right, is you can use burlap fabric, but at the moment I didn't have it, so I use what I have. Then I use the lighter to remove all the fuzzy things. Then for the hanger, I shrunk a few wooden beads into twine and attach it on the top part. You already knew I had to sneak in some bead action. wait, something still feel like it was missing, so I made a cute bow using 2 types of ribbon, and it was the perfect final touch. Now just add your favorite flowers, hang it in your door, and let everyone think you bought it at the boutique store. Shh, will be your little secret. And here our last twine it up DIY for today. I love this one because it's simple but it makes a statement. I hope today's video inspired you to grab some twine and get crafty. Don't forget to check out Sana's channel, OK at Home DIY. She's so lovely and she's so talented, so please make sure you go and check it out. And also don't forget to go and check out our playlist, the Twine It Up April. And let me know which DIY was your favorite down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, that helps my channel to grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care and stay awesome. Ciao, ciao.